If a hailstorm hits your roof tomorrow, how much would you have to come out of pocket before your insurance pays a single dollar? Is your deductible still a flat dollar amount, or has it quietly become a percentage of your home's value? In this video, I'm going to give you the information that you need to know and understand what's in your policy right now, where to find it, and what to do about it before storm season. I'll walk you through what wind and hail deductibles look like today, why insurance companies have restricted policies across Colorado and Wyoming, and 3 steps that you can take today to know exactly where you stand. If you have a roof that's more than 10 years old, there's something happening right now with your homeowner's insurance that you should understand. Flat versus percentage deductibles. I'm J Bretz, founder and CEO of Excel Roofing. We've been working with homeowners in Wyoming and Colorado since 1993. And what's happening in 2026 with roofing insurance deductibles is one of the most important changes that we have seen in decades. For years, most home insurance policies carried a flat deductible, something that was like $500 or $1,000. That was the amount that you paid out of pocket after you had roof damage. That structure is going away. Insurance companies across our region have been shifting to what's called percentage-based wind and hail deductibles. Instead of a fixed dollar amount, your deductible is now calculated as a percentage of your home's total insured value. Here's what that looks like in real dollars on a $500,000 home. A 1% deductible is $5,000. A 2% deductible is $10,000, and a 3% deductible is $15,000 before the insurance company pays you any money at all for your roof. If you do have a set flat deductible for wind and hail, common amounts are now $2,500 to $5,000, which is already a significant jump from where most policies used to be. The problem is these changes are often buried in the renewal documents. Most homeowners don't find this out until after a storm. Why are insurance companies doing this? Because hail losses in our region have been staggering. Insurance companies throughout Colorado and Wyoming have either broken even or lost money for the last 20 years. Insurance companies are restructuring policies to shift more liability costs to homeowners, and they're doing it quietly at renewal through language most people never read. And beyond deductibles, some homeowners have also been quietly moved from replacement cost coverage to actual cash value, meaning your payout is based on your roof's depreciated age, not what it costs to replace. That's a conversation well worth having with your insurance agent. So what can you do about this so you aren't caught off guard when a hailstorm hits? Step 1, you should call your insurance agent. Ask them, what is my wind and hail deductible? Is this a flat amount or a percentage of my home's value? Is my roof covered at replacement cost or actual cash value? And you should know these answers before it hails. Step 2, if you don't have an insurance agent, pull out your declarations page. This summary page of your homeowner's insurance policy will tell you what your wind and hail deductible is. If it shows a percentage, calculate this against your home's value. You may be surprised at what you owe in the event of a hail claim. Step 3, schedule a good, better, best estimate with Excel Roofing. If your roof is nearing the end of its life and you want a roof that can stand up to hail, it's good to know your options. Excel Roofing, we always give a good, better, best estimate so you have clear choices and real prices so you know when the next hailstorm hits, your home will be protected and you won't be facing a massive out-of-pocket bill. We hope this video helped you to have a better understanding of insurance issues and the ones that you could face so that you have a clear understanding when that next hailstorm hits. If you have any questions about your roof, your deductible, or other options, reach out. We're here to help. Call today or use our easy online scheduler and you can pick a day and time that's best for you. We'll be there. No pressure, just clarity and confidence before hail season. For more information, visit our Learning Center to find videos and articles to help you educate yourself about the entire roofing process. You can use our free cost calculator to get an estimate of what replacing your roof will cost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. We look forward to working with you on your project.